Hi everyone, if you're having trouble with Reanimal Connection Error or Server Error, in this video I'll show you how to fix them. Just before we do begin though, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel with all notifications on, and if you do have any questions during the video, don't forget to comment down in the comment section down below, and I'll happily answer them for you. So without any further ado, let's get straight to the video. First things first, open up your Steam, click Library right over here, right click on your game, click Properties, install files, and verify integrity of game files. Basically what it's going to do, it's going to fix any corrupted files or missing files that might cause the connection error or server error. Once done, it should say all files successfully validated, close it out, and relaunch your game. Now the problem still persists. Right click on your date and time right over here, adjust date and time, and make sure these two are currently turned on. Set time automatically and set time zone automatically is both turned on, and sync now. So basically sometimes Steam and your game and also your PC doesn't sync and with the server, and sometimes that error keeps popping up. Go ahead and close it out and relaunch the game and see if the problem still persists. Now if the problem still persists, go ahead and click on your start menu right over here, type in cmd, run as administrator, then type in ipconfig space /flush DNS. Press enter. It should say successfully flush DNS. And the same page though, make sure to type in as well netsh when sock reset. Press enter. As you can see, both are successful, and you must restart the PC in order to complete the reset. Close it out, restart your PC, and everything should be fixed. I hope you guys find this video helpful. If it did, please leave a like on this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.